Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Given increment x equals 0.1a, 0.1 into 10 raised to the power 10. Mass equals 9.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 31 kilograms. H is equal to 6.626 times 10 raised to the power 34 kg meter square second inverse square. Solution. According to Heisenberg principle, increment x increment p equals h divided by 4 into pi. Or increment x increment mass increment velocity equals h divided by 4 into pi. So increment velocity equals h divided by 4 into pi into increment x into increment mass. Substituting the value, increment velocity equals 6.626 into 10 raised to the power 34 divided by 4 into 0.1 into 10 raised to the power 10 into 9.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 31. Increment velocity equals 6.626 into 10 raised to the power 6 divided by 11.44. After calculation, increment velocity equals 5.79 into 10 raised to the power 6 meter per second. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.